Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro sales tax refund tutorial. In this guide, we're going to go over how to create a refund on a tax return. So occasionally you might file a return in which your balance due is actually negative. So that indicates that the government actually owes you funds and you'll want to perform a refund on the filed tax return. So if I go to the tax return center, I'll actually notice I'll see all my filed tax returns and I'll notice that the amount due is actually negative. So I can only perform a refund on these returns. I actually won't even be able to perform a payment because on this return, on these negative returns, the government actually owes me money. So I'll right click on a return here and on a filed return, and I'll click on record refund. And what I can do is simply just select my date here, my refund account, put in my refund amount here, and then just hit record refund. And there we go. The refund has been recorded on this filed return. So I can actually right click and click on view payments and refunds, and I can actually view the refund here that was recorded. I can mention as well. I can see if it was reconciled or deposited. Clicking on the garbage can will delete the refund, and it'll put the return, the filed return back into its open state. So let's click OK, because you probably noticed it went to a paid state and now it's back to the open state. So that's how you manage, create and manage refunds on filed returns.